Hey everyone, good morning. I hope you people are doing well. This is Poonam Avasthi, your SST teacher. Today, in this class of natural resources, land, soil, and water, we are going to understand soil erosion and soil conservation. So, what is soil erosion? It is a process in which the top fertile layer of the soil is washed away or blown away by the agents like water and wind, and by this soil loses its fertility also, and this whole process is known as soil erosion. So what are the factors which affect soil erosion? So the natural factors like water and wind, intensity of water and velocity of wind, it all affects. And then there are methods like deforestation, overgrazing, and overutilizations of chemicals and fertilizers. All of these activities lead to soil erosion. So how can we conserve? Children, you all know that if our soil cover is removed, so our planet would be lifeless. Therefore, it is compulsory for us to conserve it. There are different methods to do. All that we are going to discuss here. The first very important is afforestation. It is the best way to conserve soil. Rows of trees could be planted as barriers to protect the soil. So by this, the roots of the trees hold the soil together, and hence it is going to protect it from the soil erosion. Overgrazing must be checked. Yes, although I have not mentioned it, but here we have seen that in the causes overgrazing was there. So overgrazing must be checked. This can also be the method. Crop rotation should be done, so that field should always be covered with crops or plants or something, so that soil can be protected. Strip cropping can also be followed, in which different strips are made to grow different type of crops. So in all cases, what we are doing, we are covering the soil, so that no soil erosion could be done, or less soil erosion could be there with the natural effects. I hope you are getting what we are doing. In hilly areas, we have seen that terrace farming is usually done. In this, we construct steps in the hills. So hills are cut into steps, and then planting is done. In this way also we can protect the soil. Counter plowing is also done. So in this, plowing is done parallel to the contours. So what we do, we place stones, pebbles to check the flow of the water, and these all act as a barrier. Fallowing is also done. It means allowing the land to rest. So what usually happens in this? With the help of natural forces, soil regenerates its fertility. This also can be a method to conserve the soil. And we can make rock dams also. It will further help to check the speed of the water flow, and it can control occurrence of the floods. So ultimately, all of these are going to help in the soil conservation. So these all are the methods. So what we have done, we have understood soil erosion, its causes, and soil conservation. Here is a small assignment for you. So in the last class, we have done types of soils. So these three were left in the assignment. So as you have done the last assignment, same short note you have to write, but here laterite soil, mountain soil, and desert soils are mentioned. Okay? And in each soil you will mention 3 points, as you have done in the last type of soil questions. Here the next question is, what is soil erosion and what are the causes? I hope you will be able to do. Today only we have done. And this question is, discuss any 4 methods. So we have discussed many methods of soil conservation. Any 4 you can write here. Okay? So as I have shown how to write the answer, come up with proper presentation. Okay? And before I wrap up today's video, there is a small information for all of you. So all my lovely children, if you remember, we have videos on map skills also. You all have given me very good response in map skills video. You all have liked it. So there is a update in that. So what you have to do, you all have to go to the description box of map skill video. Okay, so you go to the description box of map skill video again to get the update in the map skill. There is a update in Union Territory, so you will get there. Please go and note down from there and do the update in your notebooks also wherever you have noted the map skill work. Okay, please go there and update yourself. This is it for today. By this we have completed soil resources. In the next class we will come up with water resources. Thank you so much children. Keep watching, keep learning.